Hello, I'm Richard Winfield, and more than 15 years ago I was asked to develop a course to teach managers in Bulgaria to coach. Now I thought to myself, what's the greatest challenge in learning to coach? And the answer for me was how to stop people from being helpful. We all have an urge, particularly when someone cannot see the obvious, to be helpful and to give them the solution. But coaching is about helping people to learn to solve their own problems. It's not to help them to solve their own problems. And we need to resist this temptation to provide solutions. Nature abhors a vacuum, and it would not have been effective for me to tell the students to not help. I had to replace this need with something positive in its place. Then I remembered something I had been taught in an early NLP lesson, what I call the fundamental coaching question. What would be the most useful question for me to ask you now? So I told my students to keep asking this question. Keep asking this same question. Then when your client tells you the question, you ask it. So when you're urged to be helpful, you now have something to say. This approach was very successful, and I have since refined it with 6 trigger questions to form a powerful pattern that I teach as coaching on a credit card. I've made some videos for you that demonstrate the power of this very simple but powerful process. Just follow the link to www.invisible-coaching.info.